Right now, this arbitrage has two signals. One is the main signal, which will give you the maximum net profit, and the minus signal, which is there as a stop loss control. Like it is not a traditional stop loss that you people used to place. It is there to keep the maximum loss below 50% of your equity, and then keep your trade running until the main signal go in your favor to give you maximum profit. Either hitting your take profit, or you consider to close it manually yourself. Are you getting it? So there is a sell signal right now. That is the main signal. So we are going to be using lot sizing ratio of 1:0.5. One is for the main signal, and 0.5 is for the minor signal. So you have to start trading the main signal, which is sell. Immediately you are opening the minor signal with 0.5. Are you getting it? Then watch out. I see it. This is $9. It's fun. Even both of them are even giving you profit. It's all about okay. I'm not supposed to sell. I'm sorry. You have to be very fast. You are going to buy. It's not. Yeah, you trade opposite signal. Yeah. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? You see your net profit? Net profit, $8, $10. Now, if you want to close this trade, close the minor signal first, because it is the one that is going to make you lose. But you are not losing anything. But you have to close it first and then close the main one. So let's get our target. Our target should be this. Any price near this moving average. I'm not going to show you the moving average because you have not bought it. Near this green moving average, we can use 17,511 as our target. So you are going to place your take profit on the main signal. So our target is 17,511. Now the stop loss, there is no stop loss because we are trading two opposite signals. One signal, the minor signal, is the stop loss control, while the main signal is our take profit. So that's good. So let's see how it play. Now, I see this. Only this signal now, you have made $26 to $27 maximum profit. You can decide to close now, but you can decide to allow the TP to be hit. It depends on the strength of the signal. There are a lot of signal generation. I think this signal is going to be weak because the sell has already happened before. Up to how many times? 1, 2, 3. Near this zone, near this moving average, black moving average zone. So don't expect this signal don't expect the market to reach here. Moving average, this green moving average. Don't expect it. I get it. So don't expect the TP to be hit. Once you see some good profit you like, you can close. And how do you close? Close the minor signal first, and then the major signal. For instance, I'm going to close. After closing, I'm going to have from $22 to $27. So as my net profit. So I'm closing. You see, then I close this. Next day, you wait for another signal. Keep doing it. I'm telling you, in a day, with this, you are not using stop loss, you are not losing, you are making profit. In a day, you can, depending on your account equity. Because in the video strategy, everything, I'm going to show you the loss sizing ratio you are going to be using as per account equity. I've told you that the maximum loss level you can see when the trade is running is less than 50%, must be less than 50% of your overall equity. So I'm going to show you everything, how to trade a $1,000 account, $5,000 account, $10,000 account, $100,000 account, $1 million account. Are you getting it? So if you are ready, get the strategy and be rich forever. Bye for now.